Hi, second grade. Today we are going to start our painting. Before you get your paints, I want you to have a smock on to protect your clothing. You're going to get a paint palette. It may not be as clean as this, but on one half of the paint palette are the warm colors. Remember, they remind you of like heat and fire and the sun. They are red, orange, and yellow. Those are the only ones we're going to use today. The rest of the colors I don't want you to use. So I will repeat it. We are just using warm colors today, red, orange, and yellow. Okay? To make watercolors work, you actually wet your brush first. So you can start wetting your red, and then you're going to paint just the sections that have the hand. So if I start here, I would only put red here, but right here is outside the hand, so that would be a cool color, which we will do a different day. So what I want you to do is gently paint in, as neatly as you can, an outline of the red, and then you can go in and fill it in. If you do the outline first, it won't run into something else. Now, in order for this color not to run into this color or this color, we're going to move away from it. We're going to put red somewhere else. So I'm going to then put an outline of red and then fill it in. So you're going to want to put reds in different sections. Fingers can be tricky. You don't want to do inside the box where it's not part of the hand. So you are just going to do your outline and then fill it in. If you run out of water, you just add more. I'm going to go right here. This one's kind of tricky too. There's some small little boxes. I'm going to do right here in this finger. If by chance you end up making a mistake, you can, let's say you went and accidentally painted red here. What you can do is you can have a little bit of a paper towel. We've got a lot of brown paper towels, and you can kind of blot it and see it picked up the color as much as I can. And the blue and the green and the purple will probably be darker where you can fix mistakes. So you don't need to freak out if something happens where you're like, oops, I didn't mean to put that color there. Remember, if you've got 3 different colors, you don't want them to be side by side. You don't want 2 red boxes next to red boxes. So try to change it up. You're going to put maybe orange next to your reds and yellows next to your oranges. You can make your colors really vivid by kind of swirling them in there. You want to make sure that every time you change color, you rinse your paintbrush in the water. You can always go back and darken things too. So I'm staying within the boundaries of the hand today. When you get the whole entire hand and arm painted with warm colors only, then you can pick up your painting and carry it to the drying rack like this. See, my hands are underneath it. Both arms are on the sides. And make sure that you leave room for others. Once one rack is full, then you pull another rack down. Don't lift any racks which have paintings on them. You can then put your smock away and dry your table spot with a paper towel. Thank you so much for listening.